Today I will show you how to make this, to make your videos go viral with After Effects. Follow my steps and make sure to watch till the end. I'm gonna show you how to make the flicker effect. So first select a new composition, use the settings that you prefer, then click on OK. Now go to the text tool and write in the text that you want. I'm gonna go with flicker. Align it in the middle. And select your text, expand it, and click on animate and opacity. Next, put the opacity at 0%, expand the range selector 1, select start, and make sure you are at the beginning of your text. Click on start, click on clock. Now expand the advanced settings and click on randomize order and put it on. Also click on clock on random seed and move a few frames forward, put on 25 and the start at 100. What you're gonna see is this is the animation. If you like the opacity, the smooth opacity, you can keep it, but if you want to remove it, it's simply done by remove the smoothness to 0%. Now select the text and click on U, select both keyframes and click on F9, easy ease them. Now the animation is smoother. If you wanted to make it even better, you can do this. Now duplicate your text with Ctrl D and change the first layer from fill to stroke. What you're gonna see is nothing because the keyframes are still the same. Now change the keyframes on the first layer. Instead of 25, the random seed, put 40. So what you're gonna see is the different layers now flicker. To make it even better, you can put on an effect, but first we're gonna add an adjustment layer. So go here and right click on new and adjustment layer, go to effects, add glow to the adjustment layer, and now duplicate your glow, and the second glow, the radius, put on 400. Now you're gonna see it's even better. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial and you'd like to see more, please leave a like or a comment below. I really appreciate your support. Thanks so much. See you in the next one.